Hi Stampers, it's Stampin' Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable red bird Angry Bird card. I saw this done on another website and I just had to try it for myself, so let's get started. We're going to start with the bird's head, the red, which is real red, and this little part for his chin, and that is crumb cake. So we're going to cut both of those out using the Big Shot die cut machine. Let me get that. And we're going to be using the clear circle die. It looks like this. And these two pieces, again, are crumb cake and real red cardstock, and they're cut to 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and cut both of those at the same time. So I'm going to put my cutting pad down, my die, line these up, lay those on top, lay that on top, and run it through. Alright, now I've got these two circles, and for just a moment I'm going to set the crumb cake piece aside, and what I'm going to do is take the real red and I'm going to go back and line up the red just so it'll snip off just the little bottom part of it. So let's run that back through again. You know what, I'm going to turn it around so it'll go in first. I don't want to take off too much, just a little bit. Once I get that cutting pad on there, it should hold it like so. Alright, so that's what you should have. Now let me set this aside. I'm going to get that crumb cake piece again. Now I don't really need the entire circle, because really one circle could do 2 cards, so I'm just going to basically cut it in half. It doesn't have to be real straight. But the idea is you're wanting to have just a little bit like that. So you're going to adhere those two pieces together, and this is what you'll have. Okay, I've just stuck those together. Now for the other parts of the card, let me show you what else you'll need. For his little eyebrows here, you're going to need 2 out of black cardstock, the decorative label punch. There's even a little heart here for the little top, and this heart comes from the heart to heart punch, so you'll need that. You'll need 2 circles. They're 1 3/8 circles cut out of white cardstock for his eyes. You'll need 2 1/2-inch circles done out of black cardstock that go right there like that. You'll also need 1 3/8-inch square, and you're going to cut it in half, so you'll actually have enough pieces for this card and one other. And then you'll also use the 1-inch square punch and cut these in half as well. Alright, so once you have your pieces ready, we can start assembling. Now, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and put his eyes kind of right in here, and I'm going to overlap them. And I just kind of dry fit them to see where I want them to go. And I'm going to get my snail adhesive. Add a little adhesive here. Okay, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to overlap them. Now for the insides of the eyes, all I'm going to do is take a little dimensional and put a little double-sided dimensional on the back of each of them. About like that, and I want his eyes in the middle, so they're very intently looking at something. Now with this triangle piece, I'm also going to put a dimensional on it, and that'll be for part of his beak, like so. So that's going to kind of overlap a little bit. Now I'm going to take the 1-inch square, add a little adhesive to that, and that will slide kind of to the left side, about like that. Alright, now for his little angry eyebrows, I'm just going to cut off just a little bit of one of these, each of these ends, because this one is going to kind of line up right there, right on his eye. And then I'm going to do the same with this. and it's going to overlap like so. So let me stick these down. One there. And one about there. Got them a little crooked, but that doesn't matter. It's all good. And now I'm going to add this little heart piece that's kind of like that tuft of feathers on his head. Is there such a word as that? I don't know. But I just want to add a little something there. All right, now for the cardstock base, I've cut this piece of Daffodil Delight cardstock to 4 1/4 by 11, and then I've just folded it in half. The other thing I have done is I have added a little bit of Daffodil Delight ink, and I've just sponged it around the edges just to give it a little dimension. I'm going to add a couple, probably about 3. Well, I guess I'm doing 4 since 4 stuck to my finger. We're going to do some 4 dimensionals on the back of the bird. And I'm, ooh, hello. Peel off those little backings, like so. Oops. We're going to stick that to the card. Too cute, too cute. Now, I've gone ahead and stamped our sentiment. I was making this for a birthday card, so I used the Happiest Birthday Wishes stamp set, and I'm using this one that says, "It's Your Day." So I've gone ahead and stamped it in black ink on the white cardstock. And I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive. Oh, I don't want that on there crooked. Don't go on there crooked. Sorry, I talk to myself sometimes when I'm trying to get things lined up. And there you have it. Add your sentiment and you're ready to go. And you have got an Angry Bird card. Too cute. Thank you.